Brady with Wold's RV Sales here, showing you another one of our 2020 FSXs here. This one here is going to be a 178 BHSK. This is a real nice floor plan. It's got a real nice big slide out on it, power awning on it, outdoor kitchen here with a nice little cooktop and fridge here for us anyway. Kind of put our beverages and stuff in there. We can kind of go inside and check it out anyway. So inside here you'll see this nice long 3-foot slide out here we have. It's a nice U-shaped dinette, so it gives a lot of extra space and not such a big camper here anyway. This one here weighs in at 3,500 pounds unloaded, so it makes it real nice for pulling around and stuff. Nice big kitchen here, full-size RV fridge, has the gas and electric option on it. So you can go dry camping and so on with it anyway, and it'll still stay cold going down the road. Nice big farmhouse style sink here. You can do a lot of dishes in this guy here. Real nice on that part. Cooktop over here. Microwave. Makes it real nice. If we want to flip around to the front side here, we got a nice Murphy bed style here too. This is real nice when you don't have a lot of space. You can put this in here and still have your couch here for seating, and as well as a bed. I'll kind of show you a little bit how to do this one here. Just got to flip down our cushion here. Release this lever here, and then pull down our mattress. And that simply, we have a bed up front for it too now. Going back to the back again, got nice double sized bunks here, 2 of them anyway. Lots of storage underneath if you want to pack some stuff underneath there. Do a lot of sleeping in kind of a smaller trailer like this. If you want to get a shot of them. Bathroom here, nice big open bathroom, full size shower anyway, so you can actually stand up in that guy there, not be hitting your head. Come check it out at Wold's RV Sales in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota, or check it out online at woldsrvsales.com.